go! Let's go! There we go.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP, and I'm back again.
Oh, nailed it.
I'll catch you guys on the flip side. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy JP, and I'm back again. It's really been a long time no see because I've been getting freaking skunked every single time I went out fishing. I've took Vanessa up to Bear River Reservoir, upper part of Amador County. Oh, this is spectacular. There she is. Got Vanessa with me. Trying to get her on some trout today. First time fishing license holder. Newly legal to the fishing community. We fished Tiger Creek. We fished the Delta together in our Christmas onesies. That was pretty cool. Got Vanessa with me. We're in full Christmas mode right now. Beautiful day on the Delta. It's been storming the last couple days, so we are taking advantage of a little bit of sunlight. About 3:30 or so. Super Christmassy. We're gonna try and get into some fish right now. We'll see what happens. And then I went out with Eric, I think once or twice since the last time I've uploaded, and literally just got skunked every single time. It's been super crickets. Me and Eric hit the Delta a couple days ago, and he caught one. I didn't catch anything. We barely got bit. It was terrible. So it's the end of the year, December. The bass bite definitely slows down. Fish are kind of hard to find, and it's just not been my luck lately. So it is what it is. We just keep fishing because it's better than a day at work, you know what I mean? So I'm on my way to pick up Vanessa, and we're gonna go hit up Tiger Creek again. Hopefully trying to get into some late winter trout. Last year I went up about this time. It was actually New Year's or New Year's Eve with Mark. California versus Alaska challenge. Definitely beat him 2-0. But the trout bite was okay. Caught a couple of nice browns up there. So I'm hoping that we're gonna get into some trout. Trying to get Vanessa on a fish. I'm legit like the worst fishing guide ever. I catch fish and then I like take people out to the spots to catch fish, and they don't catch anything. I don't catch anything. So don't try and hit me up for guide services because I'm not that great. So that's it. We're gonna head up the hill and hopefully get in some trout. See how it goes. Oh yeah. Can't even tell if yours is spinning.
It was spinning earlier, but now I don't think it's spinning.
Yeah. First cast. Nice cast. Glad I had the camera rolling for that one.
Huh?
So glad I had the camera rolling for that one.
Look at it, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna pick it up.
Oh, great.
Oh goodness. Back at Tiger Creek. Good times.
My glove got stuck on it.
Water's down like at least 4 or 5 feet. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. Kind of chilly up here. Hopefully get into a fish. Is it spinning?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, babe. Yep. Yeah, buddy. It is a rainbow trout. There you go. This is legit the first fish I've caught with her. So excited right now. Nice little rainbow trout.
It really does look like a rainbow.
Yep. All right, leave it. Because they'll stay there. You know what I mean? So just let it sink again. You might want to hold on to the pole. Reel it, tighten the line up so you can feel it. There, you see it now. Now just wait. You're definitely getting bit. It's probably like last time you probably had the bottom end of the worm.
Eating parts of it.
Yeah. But usually if you reel real quick and you don't see them or you don't feel them, just let it go and it'll sink back down. Obviously the fish is in that area.
I pulled it like hella far too.
Yeah. Definitely ate half of the worm. It's hard to tell if it's like getting a bite or if it's just the raindrops hitting it. Yeah. Why? Oh yeah, fish on. Oh yeah. Fish on. It is on. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a nice one. Stay hooked, baby. Stay hooked. Oh, this is a nice one. Yes, sir.
Wow. Cool.
Oh, yeah. That is a nice big brown trout.
Oh, yeah, it's totally different.
Nice big brown trout. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
All right, we totally neglected our bait to watch this nice brown trout. We're gonna try and get him going. Hopefully it's not a weird angle. Sorry, YouTube. He's ready to go. You ready? Ready, 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 ready. There he goes. Yeah. I knew this lure was gonna work. I'm so glad I just bought it.
You got it today?
Yeah, that's the one I bought at Walmart. Yeah. Your little shelter? It's all good. That worm's gonna get bit and then you're gonna reel him in.
Okay, there's another fish.
A little green one?
Yeah.
Well, epic finish to the day with a feast of Taco Bell. We're eating like fat kids right now. I haven't ate like literally all day since we started, so I'm starving right now. She's starving. Literally starving. No, epic day though. Caught 2 fish, pouring down rain. There was no rain in the forecast, so definitely wasn't prepared for that. We got soaked. What else? Saw a bald eagle. Oh my god.
Saw a cow.
And then randomly on the drive home, there was a cow in the middle of the road, out in the middle of nowhere. It was so random. I thought it was a moose. She's laughing at me because she's like, "There's no moose in California." But this thing was ginormous, and it was just standing in the road.
It had a cowbell on.
It had a cowbell on, and it rang, and it was super cute and random. So, mountain cows, I guess, is what they are. Yeah, it was epic though. Caught 2 fish, one nice little rainbow that we caught on a throwing a nightcrawler, and then that nice brown trout was caught on a jointed rapala. I always mess that up. That's all I got. I'm starving. I know she's starving, so we're about to get some food. But finally caught a fish. It's been so long since I caught a fish, and finally caught a fish with Vanessa. It's been like we've legit we've had like 3 or 4 trips without catching fish. So we were super excited to catch some fish today.
Only took 2 months.
Only took 2 months to catch a fish with you. Oh man, I'm not that great of a fisherman, obviously.
Crickets.
Thank you for using my own catch line on me. That's all we got. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side.